Doesn't this car just look so naked? Like it needs something? Maybe something on the sides? If only I had something like that. Oh hey, look what just fell from the sky. Some DevSport side splitters. Wow, how convenient. Now if you have at least 2 brain cells, you can probably figure out that I'm installing side splitters on my car from DevSport. Yeah, so I'll be installing these side splitters. Also, I'm gonna be putting in some Amazon LED lights because one of mine went out on my low beams. And also I'm gonna be cutting my Mugen rear lip. So basically what I'm gonna be doing, well, if you haven't noticed, this is all getting burnt off from all of the flames and stuff that I shoot now with my new tune. And basically just the hot exhaust gases are getting worse. And as you can see, the wrap has even started to melt. So what I'm gonna be doing is cutting this entire black part off. I've seen a lot of people do that on like wide body FRSs, and I think it looks really sick. So I think if I do it to my car, it might look really good. I'm gonna be trying that also. I have to interrupt today's video because my homies over at Broken Society actually just sent me a care package. So I'm gonna be opening that right now. This thing is filled to the brim, and of course he gave me the black one. One of the main things that they do is sell air fresheners and stickers. He basically just sent me 1,000,000 air fresheners. This is one of my favorite things that they have. It's got the broken heart on the sleeve. But yeah, super comfy. This thing is sick. This nothing lasts forever. Tie-dye. What's even cooler is he left a note. He's actually a subscriber to the channel, which is super cool. Feels like it weighs about 5 pounds. Holy crap. Guys, this is a lot of stickers, but this is the kind of stuff that they offer. They do a lot of the stickers that stick over the window, and my personal favorite, the Baby Yoda with the boba. Huge shout out to Sammy from Broken Society. And the coolest thing is he actually has a YouTube channel also that he wanted me to shout out, and he actually has an RSX as well. Go ahead, I'm gonna leave links to all of his stuff in the description down below. It's gonna be right at the top. Also, he wanted me to mention that he's having a 10% off deal on his entire site. All you have to do, I have the code down below, type that in to get 10% off anything that you see here or anything else that is on his site. Huge, huge, huge shout out. Go give him a follow down below, subscribe to his YouTube channel, and buy all of his merch. Much love to you, bro, and good luck with your YouTube channel. Look at him just chilling there. Alright, so before I get started, I'm going to give you guys a little unboxing. So this is how it came. Obviously, this was all taped. You open it up, looks something like this. You've got the taped on hardware, and then also there's a very thin layer of plastic on the side skirt splitters. So that's why I was able to throw it on the ground and not really care. These things are really packaged really well. A little too well in my opinion, because it took me way too long to get them out. So that's everything that comes in the box. Now I'm gonna get started on the actual installation. A wild John appeared. Oh.
Sup, vlog?
Hey, the side skirts look really good actually. Damn. Damn, son. Okay, so since I don't have real side skirts, I don't really trust these things to fully hold the weight of these. But I have these brackets that they are mounted on that I can drill into that I trust more. But the problem is that the cutouts are where the brackets are, except for the back two. I figure you guys are going to want to see this because it's satisfying. Oh, I'll be quiet, I'll be quiet. Oh shit. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, that's ASMR. Okay, last bit. Alright guys, so I basically got it all mocked up right now with just some self-tappers. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in the actual hardware now. But this is how it looks right now. I've got it sticking out a good amount. Also because I'm wide body, so I want it to kind of stick out more to like line up with where the wheel is. So I think it'll look pretty good. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you what I'm doing for one of them. I actually went ahead, I'm actually going into the side skirt now. First step is to drill the hole. So these have pre-drilled holes already. Drill it like that. Take the bolt and the nut, or bolt and the washer. Take the nut and the washer, and I put it on top. The Allen wrench. Grab the wrench. There you go. I have 6 bolts on there. I have some self-tappers that I used to mock it up. And that's that. This is the final fitment. I don't think that it actually moved much from when I just had the self-tappers in. But I will do the other side, and then I will bring the car out into the light and do some beauty shots, or glamour shots. Alright guys, so that side splitter is done now. So I'm going to be changing out my light bulb, my LED bulb. Alright, this thing sucks because it sucks and it has a clip that needs to go on, and it really sucks. So yeah. Alright, I know I didn't show it, but that thing is in and working. There we go. Not bad on the difference. I will be picking up this vlog tomorrow, so I will see you then. Alright, so it is now the next day. I've been in the garage messing around with the headlight a little bit. Also the launch control on the car, trying to get it to be right where I want it. I have the side splitters on right now. And how I said in the beginning of the video, alright, I gotta be quick here because my camera's dying, but basically I'm gonna chop that off. Now, I know what you're thinking. Roy, why did you do that? You had a perfectly good Mugen lip, and also the cut wasn't that good. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting on a rear diffuser on the car. It's a Jay's Racing style, so basically I needed, wow, look how bad my stock bumper is burning. Basically I needed all the room I could get under there. I'm also going to be cutting the bumper away, I think, so not sure how I'm going to do that. I might have to take off the lip in order to do that. But yeah, basically I'm going to have a big gigantic diffuser that comes out from under there. So that's why I needed to do it. Alright, I guess I'm going to end out this vlog with some POV driving because I have to go to my friend's house. So yeah, hope you guys like this. Hopefully the angle is right. Last time I did POV stuff, the angle wasn't quite right, but I think I got it a little better this time. I love the looks that people give me when I have this stupid thing on my head. Fucking semi-truck could have fucking killed me right there. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. You guys saw how long that green light was. And this guy was just flying through. What an idiot. was gonna have a cool little video, but instead it turned out to be what it's like to drive in California with California drivers.
One hour later.
Alright guys, so this is how the car looks, and basically with these side splitters the car just looks so much lower. It gives like this appearance that the car is like literally on the ground when it's obviously not. I'm trying to show you guys as best as I can, but yeah, I don't know if it's gonna pick up that well on camera, but like I said, when you just have the regular side splitter or the side skirts on, it doesn't give that kind of appearance. But when their side skirt extensions are on, like the side splitters, it just makes it look so much lower than it actually is. Gas station for the lighting, but I'm trying to show it as best as I can. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm talking about. So yeah guys, that is basically how you get your car to look like it's lower than it is by installing side splitters, or if you have a front splitter or diffuser, stuff like that. I don't know what it is, just the way it like sticks out kind of makes it look like the car is way lower than it is. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like down below, subscribe for more RSX content. I post a lot of RSX content, so go ahead and subscribe for that. Turn on the bell notification if you are already subscribed. Leave a comment telling me what I should do next, and as always, peace out.